Siapa bilang lari cuma soal kecepatan? Buat Mamaka by Ovolo, lari juga bisa jadi cara keren untuk berbagi kebaikan. Setelah sukses besar tahun lalu, Mamaka Fun Run kembali hadir dengan Fall II. Lebih seru, lebih panjang, dan tentu saja lebih bermakna. Tahun ini, lebih dari 600 pelari dari Bali, Hong Kong, dan Australia siap berlari bersama demi satu tujuan mulia, mendukung pendidikan anak-anak Bali lewat Bali Children Foundation. Dengan dua kategori, 5K dan 10K, peserta akan menikmati rute tepi pantai Kuta yang magis, sambil menikmati hiburan musik, sesi Zumba, dan perayaan penuh energi khas Mamaka by Ovolo.
Thank you very much for your question. So the main difference from last year to this year is that this is now our second time that we've run the event, so we have more experience. Yeah? We have a really fantastic team, my management team here, that actually put everything together. So we've gone from 400 runners to 700 runners this year. And I don't know if you saw our T-shirts. So if Jacqueline turn around, we'll see the T-shirt. So it says, "Run clubs are the new nightclubs," right? So the community now, they're not going drinking and partying anymore. They're really doing lots of running, lots of health, lots of wellness and fitness activities now. And that's what Mamaka really stands for. We really love to get on that fitness journey. And for me, it's to bring in the community. Today we had 700 runners. It was such a really cool thing, and all the runners were from all different ages, different people. So it was really good to see. And all the money that we raise from the tickets will go towards the Bali Children's Foundation. So it's a really big effort, but a very big thank you to my team who put it together.
Setiap langkah berarti, karena setiap kilometer yang ditempuh membantu membuka pintu masa depan bagi anak-anak Bali. Doing good feels good. Itulah semangat Mamaka by Ovolo. Mamaka Fun Run Volume 2, Miles for Smiles, Vibes for Good.